Come take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, GVWR, 10,800 pounds, 4899 kilograms, with single rear wheels, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timings VE85 compatible, flex fuel, skid plate package, frame-mounted shields, interior plus package, convenience package, tailgate, S-lift, rear parking assist, ultrasonic and ELPO, all-weather floor mats. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.